background?
Sure.
If you can get it, I'm gonna try to.
You want it profile
Yeah, just.
like that?
Yeah, I think it'll lighten up.
We'll get a couple. You want to preview it and see what it
Have a
looks
nice
like?
New Year.
Is that all right?
Yeah, it's not real clear, but it's clear enough. Yeah. I mean, it's nice.
Yeah.
They don't say so.
You want for it, please?
No, he'd probably.
You want for it?
What's that?
You want for it?
Although this isn't much
That way.
snow. We're from upstate New York where they've already had 4 feet this year.
Oh, jeez.
So,
Yeah, I live in, like, right on the Ohio River,
okay.
and like, so we haven't had. In fact, we don't even have this much, but in the mountains, have had snow since
Lots,
October.
yeah.
I mean, 6, 8,
Okay,
10
thank
feet
you.
of snow in the mountains, and they're getting like 3 feet tonight. And we're getting supposedly less than an inch. There might be less than an inch when I get home. Oh, then you know the mountains
Trying
are
to
always.
get out of there.
Oh yeah.
Fireworks are starting soon. Almost midnight, almost 3 years. So here, let's look what time it is. It is currently 11:55 p.m. We have 5 minutes until 2026. Can you believe it? I can't. It's crazy. Should have gone live on YouTube, but oh well. Here.
Did you get what you were getting?
Yeah, I'm gonna record the train and then like the video and the fireworks at the same time.
You should be getting close now.
Yeah, we're like 4 minutes.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah. It was last time I checked. It was 11:55. Can you believe it? Just a couple minutes until 2026. It's crazy. Can tell if those are kids or.
It better be. I hope it ain't adults doing that.
Really?
So it's going to be this way?
I think so, yeah. Good thing I brought gloves.
I didn't even bring gloves. Well, I have gloves on my foot.
Well, I have 2 pairs of gloves. I have these ones, which are my best friend's Hayden's gloves, which I was telling you about.
Yeah.
And then, he gave them to me during July's 1 year. And then I got pink gloves and then a matching pink hat for Christmas.
It wasn't kids.
It was. I think they're trying to do Jingle Bells. Not working out very well.
Alright. Is this good enough?
Should be.
Because our car is what?
I don't remember.
Oh no, it's good. The one before Merry Christmas. Alright, let's see. What time is it?
It's currently 11:58 p.m.
58.
We've got 2 minutes.
Okay.
Whew, it's freezing out here.
Let me get this on.
See, that's the kind of camera I asked for. Is that kind of camera right here. I got like this mini camera for
Right.
Christmas. But hey, I'm still grateful for what I got.
You don't need to. You don't want a camera like this anyway.
Oh.
That's not a good camera to learn on. Like, it's good to learn on whatever you have,
Mm-hmm.
and then get one of these.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Alright, are we...
See here we got about a minute and a half. Oh, not a minute. A minute left. Why does it smell? I like smoke. Oh yeah, smoke. Train. Duh. Train. Smoke. Smoke. Train. Duh.
Well, plus they've got coal boxes going on every car for
True.
heat.
Good point.
So it's probably coal plus diesel, 2 diesel engines.
Yeah, there's a diesel engine powered train. Yeah.
I like this. It was a nice
It's
little
really
ride.
cool.
It's too bad it was not a little warmer.
Alright. But the snow made it awesome though.
I do like, I wish it was actually snow, like really snowing.
Right? That'd be cool.
I mean, not just this.
But
This is
like not like too much snow where like it has like a hazard, you know,
Right.
like for the roads or
Well, you're
wherever.
not driving, what do you care?
I want everyone to be safe.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Train is back, and that's so awesome.
Was that pretty cool?
That was awesome.
We were close.
Can you stop the video for me, please? I can't.